Hello everyone, welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious and simple Persian recipe. It's called Kabob Digi or kebab in a pot or pan. I'm going to make it and show you how to what to use. Basically, the first ingredient is ground beef. I use 7% fat ground beef, 93% is good beef. It's grass-fed, 1 medium onion, and just starting with grating the onion on the meat. When you remove the skin from the onion, please do not cut this part of it because that's holding the entire onion layers together. And here we go. The onion is grated. The second step is to add salt, pepper, turmeric. This is 1/4 of a teaspoon salt. Salt and pepper, of course, is to your taste. Then I have turmeric. I use 1/4 of a teaspoon turmeric, and very important to use sumac in the ingredient because that makes it absolutely amazing, delicious. And then mash them together by hand to make sure it's going to be very sticky and the onion is mixed very well with the ground beef. This is the folding process, meaning if there is any grated onion at the bottom of the, at the bottom, you bring it up to the top to mix them well together. And then you can use your fist and then when you fist it, and then bang, and then bang, and then bang, is done. Sticky. I've added some olive oil to this and I rub it all over just to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. Take the meat, make sure you make a big flat you have the meat here and it's all equally spread, and you have a little bit of oil that's on your hand. Rub it on the top and take a knife, just create some indentation. At the end, it's going to make it much easier to transfer it to a plate. Perfect. I preheated the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to leave this in the oven for 35 minutes to make it perfectly done. There we go, our kebab digi is ready to be served with basmati rice and mosto khiyar, which is the combination of mint, cucumber and yogurt. This is beautiful, it's very quick. I hope you make it, enjoy it, bon appetit and noosh jan.